Chapter 1 Paper Kite. Learning Objectives. 1. Understanding the way how a kite flies. 2. No matter what happens in life, we should never stop. I bought a pretty paper kite and flew it yesterday, but then, the branches of a tree came in the way, and while I tried to fly it high, through some unhappy luck, there in the branches of the tree, my paper kite got stuck. And like that helpless paper kite, I find I also stick quite often in the branches of simple arithmetic. Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. What is the similarity between the boy and the kite in the poem? Answer. The boy and the kite are similar in such a way that, like that helpless paper kite, the boy often finds himself stuck in simple arithmetic. B. What happened when the kite reaches the tree? Answer. The kite got stuck in the branches of the tree. C. What did the boy buy the other day? Answer. The boy bought a pretty kite the other day. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. I bought a pretty paper kite and flew it yesterday. B. Quite often in the branches of simple arithmetic. Let's enjoy the poem. We found the words kite and fly in the text. Both of these words may have different meanings. A kite is a paper object that you can fly. A bird by the name of kite also exists. Fly is the action of moving through the air. Fly is also the noun name of an insect. A. Homonyms are words with the same spellings or pronunciation but different meanings. B. Write down 3 such words, pairings that come to your mind, and explain what they mean. Find their meanings. A. Helpless, unable to take care of yourself. B. Often, frequently. C. Stick, to push a pointed object towards something. D. Simple, basic. Write 2 proper nouns for the given common noun. Common noun, storybook. Proper noun, grammar book. Common noun, city. Proper noun, New Delhi. Common noun, river. Proper noun, Ganga. Common noun, planets. Proper noun, Jupiter. Tick the right options. A. What did the poet buy? 1. Ball. 2. Kite. 3. Book. 2. Kite. B. What came in the way of the kite? 1. Branches. 2. Clouds. 3. Birds. 1. Branches. Communication. Writing skills. Look at the pictures. Fill in the boxes to complete the words. S T A R S. B I R D S. MOON. LOUDS. Reading skills. Read the below riddles and solve them. I get blown up, but I'm not a stick of dynamite. I sometimes have a string attached, but I'm not a kite. I sometimes float, but I'm not a swimmer. I am seen at birthday parties, but I'm not a candle. What could I be?